All right, it's super hot in this car. Fans on all the way. You can see that I've just set it all the way and nothing's blowing. Obviously I have this out because I'm working on it, but nothing's blowing on this side either. So I got to figure out what's going on with this car. I think it might be the blower motor, but I'll figure that out. Let's get started. All right, we're going to check the blower fan, and the way you access it is underneath the passenger side glove box. So what we're going to do is take a look at removing one of the panels. As you see here, this is the glove box. If you can get a little closer, right over here. We're going to try to avoid taking it out right now. I think we can actually access the blower motor from underneath this panel, and the way you do that is actually just pulling down. And there's some plastic pieces that you have to release. You're taking out some clips, and then you pull the entire panel out. It's just like a little tiny notch here that you remove, and then there's also a little plastic wire clip here. So you're just going to press it down, pull this out, and that is a light, but you're going to take it aside, and now we have access to the bottom. Now, as I mentioned earlier, my fan is not blowing, so I need to figure out how to take it out. And what we're going to do is just test the wire that leads into the blower motor. So if you're able to get a little closer, you'll be able to see that up here is the plastic clip. I'm pressing it right now. I'm going to press it down all the way and just pull out. Hopefully I can get it out. And I'm able to release it, and this is it here. So let's go ahead and grab a voltmeter, and we're going to test the voltage. You're going to need your keys to turn on the ignition, and hopefully we can read some voltage here. That'll tell us if it's the motor or the resistor. All right, so I have the ignition on, and I also have this voltmeter set to the V with the broken dots, and it's set to 20 to read the 12 volts car, or the 12 volt battery. This number should be 12 if there is electrical, so I'm going to connect the terminals together. This red one connected to the white plug and white wire, and the black connected to that, and it's reading at 0.06. 0.05. Let's see if I can get a better connection, just in case I'm not touching it all the way. And it's still at 0.06. So I'm not seeing a lot of voltage coming out of it, so it might not be the fan. So we have to move up a little bit and check out the resistor. All right, check it out. So now that we've checked the blower motor and we're getting pretty low voltage from the wiring harness right over here, what now we're going to do is work upstream and go to the blower resistor. And I believe this blower resistor is right here. So what I'm targeting right now is, if I can get the right light, this thing here. This is the resistor for the TL. And so what we're going to do is just take out the screws. There's one screw there, and we'll try to take out the other one as well. The tight space, so give yourself some room. I have the door open just so I can move this stuff around. Got the other screw out, and this is the blower resistor, this giant block here, and it seems to me like the plug is connected here on this corner here. I think I could put some pressure, and I have, and so that pressure takes it out. All right, so what I'm going to do is actually I bought a very cheap Amazon-based resistor here. I can go ahead and put a link in the description if you're interested in it, but taking out this box, this is the replacement resistor. It looks almost the same as the OEM one. Pretty much identical, except that this one has some wear and tear on it, and this is brand new. So what I'm going to do is just plug it in and see if that fixes my issue. So I'll turn on, what I'll do is I'll turn on the ignition and turn on the fan and see if the blower comes back on. And what I actually have is the fan unplugged, so let me go ahead and put that back real quick. And I'll do the same right now. Turn on the ignition. And now I have air. So if you do the wire check on this plug and you don't see or anything, it's most likely this one. And so this is a pretty cheap part. It's like 20 bucks. Let me turn this off because the fan's blowing again. I actually feel air blowing here. So that's a huge improvement. So yeah, it was pretty much the blower resistor. I already hooked it up, and you know, this one is out now. So all I need to do is put back the screws and it should be good to go. But that was the fix, just replacing the blower resistor for this one. Let's put everything back. There we go. Now it's slid back. You need to throw the screws back there. Let's put one screw on this corner back. See if we can get in there. There's one. All right, second screw. It's gonna be the left corner there. If I can get it in the hole. Let's give it a wiggle. Looks like it's firm. Just threaded back through, so I'm not too worried about that at this point. Just give the plug a little pressure, but we know it's fixed, and all we need to do is put everything back, all the plastic panels and the glove box. So that's kind of where we're at. So I'm glad it got fixed. We have air again. Last piece of putting back the plastic panel is just this, or the changing out the resistor is this plastic panel. Make sure the wiring harness is back. I think that's just a little light there. Take these two holes here. There's some pocket or kind of a bracket that allows you to insert that back in. And then at that point, we just snap these back into place. You see here, there's 1, 2, and 3. Get a little closer, a little dark. There you go. There's little metal clips here. You just have to push up, and it's pretty much snaps everything back into place. I don't see anything else that it's held on. 2 little pins here and 3 clips that I just pressed back, and it doesn't look like it's coming out. So that's how you, one, fix your blower motor, which it wasn't my blower motor. Once I tested it, turned out to be the resistor. And so after you fix the resistor, you put everything back, and that's it. All right, that about wraps up what you just saw. I just diagnosed the issue with my fans not blowing in my interior. It ended up not being the blower motor, but more upstream with this blower resistor. Picked it up on Amazon. I think it was less than $20. I put in the description. I think I got a deal. It was like pretty close to $18 or $16.99, but prices change over time. But this thing doesn't cost that much. I didn't get OEM, just picked it up on Amazon just to even check it. Doesn't cost that much for what I was trying to fix, but it does take a little work to get to where you need to be. So hopefully this was helpful. This was for the 2008 Acura TL Base model, which I think applies to 2004 to 2008 all TLs. But we have a working blower inside the car, so I can actually see if AC works and everything else, but at least I can get air. And hopefully this was helpful, and have a good one.